Welcome. In this video, we cover 5 costly mistakes Canadians make with their TFSA and RRSP. Mistakes that could cost you thousands.
I just got a letter from the CRA about my TFSA. Am I in trouble?
You might be. Do you know the difference between a TFSA and an RRSP?
Honestly, not really. I just put money wherever.
That's mistake number 1. Both accounts grow your money tax-free. RRSP contributions give you a tax deduction now, but you pay tax when you withdraw. TFSA uses money you already paid tax on, and withdrawals are tax-free.
So if my tax rate is lower in retirement, RRSP is better. And if higher, TFSA?
Exactly. Plus, TFSA withdrawals restore your contribution room the next January, making it more flexible.
Okay. What did I do wrong with my TFSA?
Did you withdraw money and put it back in the same calendar year?
Yes, I took out $5,000 in January and put it back in March.
That's mistake number 2, overcontributing. You can't recontribute until January 1st of the next year. CRA charges 1% tax every month on the excess amount.
1% every month? So $5,000 means $50 a month.
Yes, and it keeps adding up until you fix it. Mistake 3 is day trading inside your TFSA.
Is that not allowed?
If you trade too frequently, CRA can treat your TFSA as a business, making all gains taxable. They consider trade frequency, holding time, and time spent managing trades.
What about RRSPs?
Active trading is fine in RRSPs if you use qualified investments like GICs, listed stocks, mutual funds, and ETFs.
What's mistake 4?
The foreign dividend trap. US dividends have a 15% withholding tax. In regular accounts, you get a tax credit. In RRSPs, the Canada-US tax treaty exempts you from this withholding. But in TFSAs, that 15% is lost forever.
So, US dividend stocks belong in RRSPs, not TFSAs.
Exactly, that small switch can make a big difference every year.
And mistake 5?
Leaving money sitting in cash after contributing. The whole point is tax-free growth. If your money isn't invested, it's not working for you.
So to recap, pick the right account, don't overcontribute, avoid day trading in TFSA, keep US dividend stocks in RRSP, and invest contributions promptly.
5 mistakes. Ignoring one could cost thousands. Now go check that CRA letter. If this helped, please like and subscribe for weekly videos breaking down finance in simple language. Are you a TFSA or RRSP person? Comment below. See you next week.